everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be building in the Peaceful Meadow. This is going to be a spring build including Aurora's house, Alice in Wonderland, and 2 of the flower houses from previous Star Paths and the premium shop. I'm using the new Windmill and the new tulip flowers that are so cute. I can't wait to show you. This is going to be a speed build and a walkthrough. If you like what you see, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Ring that bell for notifications so you can support my channel. For the beginning of the tour, we're going to start in the middle, in front of the windmill, and in the middle of the tulip patch. To the left, you'll have Aurora's house. I kept it pretty simple with like a swing. I really liked it because of the flowers on the top and the vines wrapping around. And then the spinning wheel and a little chest and chair. Next to Goofy Soul, I used some teacups. You'll see that the theme for this is kind of like spring with teacups and teapots thrown around, since I have Alice's house in here as well. In the left corner is going to be the flower area, where it's going to have the 2 flower shop houses we've got in the previous Star Path and the premium shop, along with some Star Path items from the fairy builds we had. The centerpiece is from the Snow White quest that you get from completing her quest line in Wish Blossom. And most of these items are from the fairy builds and Tinkerbell quest line in the Wish Blossom area as well. I added a workbench in here. It was the perfect place to hide it. I always like to have a cooktop and a workbench to get to easily when I'm in my valley. I made a little honeybee area along with some more plants and flowers and pots that you can use. Anything works over here. You don't have to use a particular one, just whatever you like. In the front again, I used the teapot water fountain to go with the theme. I just love how bright and colorful everything is. And for the gazebo, this is from the new Star Path that we're in right now. So this is going to complete part 1 of my Spring Peaceful Meadow rebuild. Now that we did the walkthrough and you got to see everything, let's go ahead and get this speed build done so you can see how everything came together.